Alright guys, I'm just gonna give you a quick recap of what happened on Friday 23rd Jan. So I had an absolute insane trade, essentially targeting Asia equal highs. And I sent this analysis to the free Telegram as well, which you can check the first link in the description. And I also sent this to my VIP Discord as well, where I essentially send live gold setups with forecast, trade management, trade entry and exit price, and I also recommend when you should take partials, or if you should leave any runners for the trades. So without wasting any more time, let me just get right into it. So with gold, I mean, is there anything else to say other than that you just need to be buying? Like, there's literally no reason to be selling gold, especially with everything that's been going on in the world. So when I woke up on Friday morning, I saw that we had essentially retraced this 4-hour fair value gap. And at that point, I was like, okay, you know what? This is a perfect opportunity to go long, because almost every time we end up retracing to a 4-hour fair value gap, like one over here, another one over here, and this one as well. I'm not sure if this one we didn't retrace to. This one we definitely retraced to over here. And here we finally retraced to another one as well. And a very good target for gold are these equal, sorry, I wouldn't say equal numbers, I would say these large even numbers. For example, 5,000 has been the target for January. And yeah, if you go to the 1 hour time frame, we can also see that we retraced to this 1 hour fair value gap as well. So it's a very good opportunity to go long. And if I go to the 15-minute, I can also see that we have equal highs here for Asia, which is a very good target. Like, I mean, usually most of the time, if we have equal Asia highs and they're not taken out, like I would say 95% of the time, they just end up getting taken out. So yeah, I just waited for, I just waited for London low to get taken out essentially. Sorry, Asia low to get taken out essentially. And yeah, let's see what happens. I think just the one. Yeah, we can see here we got a beautiful sweep of all of these lows. So we got the Asia session low that was swept, and we also got the New York PM session low that was swept. And then they also retraced those 1 hour fair value gaps. So essentially when I switched to the 15-minute chart, it price already showed like the fully formed 1 hour and 4 hour retracement of this fair value gap, because that's how trading view is. Even if you use bar replay for the 4-hour bar and the 1 hour candle, it will just already form the candle. So yeah. And then if you go to the 1 minute time frame, you can see that there was this beautiful inversion over here, which is a very good entry. So I had initially taken one entry here, and then I closed it around the 26. Because we ended up getting a huge retracement, and then price ended up like sweeping this low as well. So I got stopped at break even for that, but let's see what happens. Just make it a bit faster. So what I love to see here as well is that we created like this trend line. Yeah, we created this nice beautiful trend line in the 1 minute, and we swept all of these equal lows here as well. So this was a perfect entry. So this is when I basically entered long over here with my stop below London low. And I mean, I ended up taking partials as soon as this high was taken out at 2.6. And then we have equal highs at London high as well, and also equal highs at Asia. So let's see what ends up happening. I can just go to the 5 minute because we can see in the 1 minute all of that trend line. This entire trend line was taken out, so this is a good place to take partials. And then, I mean, gold doesn't move in a straight direction. You always get multiple opportunities. So there was another opportunity to go long here as well. and then we got another 5-minute inversion over here. We can see that price has retraced as well to like this 15-minute fair value gap which was created, and over here was where you could have added another position, and I did add another position. So yeah, I mean, you can just target equal Asia highs and potentially leave some runners to target 5,000. So let's see what happens. I mean, obviously this is not hindsight. I sent all of these setups live. Yeah, so as soon as the Asia high was taken out, I kind of took off 75% off, and I just left some runners which I was just trailing. And the gold has a tendency to reverse right before a target everyone's expecting. So we kind of just reversed right before 4990, but I think I ended up getting stopped down around here. Yeah. So essentially I had trailed my stop to like 49780 basically, and ended up getting stopped out with the runners. But I mean, you really can't complain because I got approximately like 10 hour from this one and approximately 4 hour from this one. So it was like an easy 14-hour day from just risking. I mean, I risk way more than 1%, yeah, but I'm just gonna say more. I know most people risk 1%, so I'm just gonna take the math and calculation that people on my Telegram and Discord, I usually recommend them to risk 1%. So I'm just gonna call this a 14-hour day instead. And if you'd like to see more content like this, leave comments in the description. And yeah, I mean, check out my Discord below if you want live trade analysis, forecast, and execution.